Happy birthday to you and many more.
Oh, happy birthday sa kanyang mami.
From Ernin and Grace.
And Kathleen.
Pinagdag talaga.
Idagdag mo lahat ang anak mong narinig.
Picture kayo ni Mama Tess.
Happy birthday to you.
Picture kayo ni Mama.
Tapos po, ayan ang mga kumakain na. Kasi po, kami po ang unang bisita. Ito po ang pa-birthday ni Nicole. Aaron, ano Nicole?
And then you guys,
Ensoy
I did.
Sabala. Happy birthday, Ate Tess. This is the dessert. Happy birthday, Ate Tess.
2, 3.
For my Jewelry Box organizer. Thank you so much.
That was shit. There's like an old RV thing down there.
And for the first,
Past the gate.
Vanessa Williams. Thank you so much.
That's bad.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Teresita. Happy birthday to you. Blow mo lang na natutunaw ang kandel. Yay! Thank you.
From Ernest's mother. Thank you, Minerva.
Man is always put above.
There is attitude. You make the good times more fun and the hard times easier for me to deal with. Time and time again. I realize you're one of the people I count most. I appreciate you very much. And I'm so grateful for all the share between us. Happy birthday, Isla. Ikaw ang pinakamasayang sister na mabait na mahalal ka rin. I love you from Yoni. Inay, happy birthday. And remember, I only celebrate odd numbers.
It's odd, not odd. It's odd.
From days. Happy birthday, Inay. 71 is just the number. Second to the What is this?
Kaya mo yan. Kaya.
Second to the... What is this? What is that?
You're so funny every day.
71 is just a number. And wait.
Exactly, the bear. You're writing
And
something.
Nuber? And
No head.
many more.
Oh, many more to come. From Ernie Oros. Thank you, Grandma. Happy enjoy this day to be foolish, to be foolish
Ano ba?
with smile and laughter. All do love, Safi and Ami. Happy birthday, Grandma. Dini pa pala si Ami. I hope you enjoy your special day and it pour you with us of happiness and memories to remember. I love you, Grandma Amites Nulos. On the days when I remember to tell you and on the ones when I get busy and forget, I am so grateful for the wonderful mom, grandma you are. Happy birthday. And thank you for the $100 more. And thank you for all the...
Where's the balloon? You rode the boat? Or you rode the...
Don't forget amethyst. I saw the eyebrow flick. Amethyst.
Where's your camera?
Happy birthday to my Ate Tess who is so funny, caring, loving, and thoughtful.
Thank you.
We love you so much. Always remember our lakar ang kahitaran.
Thank you.
I love you.
Magpalaki ng magpalaki.
Nagpalaki na magpalaki itong magandang dalaga. Ito ang dalawang kambal na maganda at magandang dalagang mga kasama niya.
Aling asawa ko pala na.
Ayan po. Yan po ay si Kathleen. Bunsong anak. Ito po ang pangalawang anak, si Giselle. Ayan po, happy birthday sa kanyang mami.
From Ernin and Grace.
And Kathleen.
Pinagdag talaga.
Idagdag mo lahat ang anak mong narinig.
Picture kayo ni Mama Tess.
Happy birthday to you. Nang mga kumakain na. Kasi po, kami pa ang unang bisita. Happy birthday ni Nicole. Aaron. Ano, Nicole?
And then you guys...
Ensoy.
I did.
Sabala. Happy birthday, Ate Tess. This is the dessert. Happy birthday, Ate Tess.
Happy birthday to you. I'm glad you're.
What can you say to the birthday girl?
Happy birthday, Ate! Happy birthday, Maring Tisay!
Happy birthday to the most funny sister I have. And that's what we are. I love you. Happy birthday.